You're welcome back. Now let's look at the next item in the partnership agreement, which is the partnership salaries. One partner may have more responsibility than the others. In addition to the partner's share of capital, the partner may have a partnership salary, which is deducted before sharing the balance of profits. The double entry for this partnership salary: if the salary has been paid, we will debit the profit or loss appropriation account and we will credit the cash or bank account. However, if it has not been paid, we will debit the profit or loss appropriation account and we credit the current account. In the next video, we will look at the next item in the partnership agreement. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.